Exclusive bilang ng mga biktima ng malaria sa isang barangay sa Davao City, pumalo na sa mahigit 50.
At dalawang Thai suspect sa pambobomba sa Cambodia in-extradite na sa Thailand.
At narito na si Suzy at Kuya Lar, Oconi at Arn.
Ayun,
Good morning.
thank you. Good morning,
Good morning,
Arn.
Connie. Good morning po,
Samantala,
mga puso.
yes, yung sa mga mahilig ho naman dyan sa mga western movies o yung mga storya ng mga cowboy.
Uy, Django.
Yes, eto na ho ang para sa inyo. Mala Wild Wild West ang pinuntahan ngayon ni Paring Drew para naman sa mga gustong mag-ala cowboy dyan.
Okay nga,
diba?
Django, Drew. Let's ride!
Drew!
El Caballo.
Well, howdy, partner. Howdy, ma'am. Good morning, y'all. Well, I'm here in El Caballo Equestrian Center here in
Bagay.
Clarkfield, Pampanga. And automatic, magiging ginto ka magsalita. Anyway, good morning mga kapuso. Dito tayo sa El Caballo, sa Clarkfield, Pampanga. At it's all about horses. Equestrian 101 po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga. Kaya kasama natin ngayon ng isang enthusiast, isang horse and riding enthusiast, and deputy of this wild, wild west, Mr. June Cruz.
Hi, Drew. Good
Good
morning.
morning, deputy.
Good morning. Long time no see.
Long time no see. Para sa mga, well, first time na mapapanood sa unang hirit kasi ilang beses na rin nating binisita tong El Caballo na to. Beautiful, beautiful ranch where
thank
the horses run wild and the whiskey come cheap.
Exactly. The whiskey comes.
Yeah, whiskey come cheap. Okay, para sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito, pakita natin sa kanila, sir, kung ano yung makikita nila dito.
All right. Well, of course, yeah, you can see a replica of a western town
That's right.
where we've done some movies, commercials,
Yeah.
MTVs.
Yes.
But in the place also, we have a horseshoe bar and saloon where we also serve lunch and dinner, of course.
Oo.
Aside from the cheap whiskeys.
And then, naalala ko yan, yung appetizer nyo, I think it's snake skin.
Yeah. But it's just a replica.
But it's just a
also.
replica of snake skin. Sarap nun. Anyway.
It's a really fish skin.
Okay, really fish skin. Tilapia skin, I think.
Yes, yes.
And of course, you have your new addition. Yung parang pinalawak niya yata yung inyong horse.
Yes, we have a new paddock. We call that a paddock. It's a riding
paddock,
paddock. It's where we train all the horses, and it's where our students also train.
How many horses do you have here? Come on, boy.
Right now, we have 18 horses.
18 horses?
Yeah, most of them rideable. Some horses are not rideable because they're either pregnant or too young.
Or too young?
Yeah. Too young.
What is young for them? Very relative age when it comes to horses? Parang aso ba yan, sir?
Parang
din.
yeah. Relatively young is around 2 years old.
Okay.
Because we start training the horses talaga. Even in other disciplines, we start training horses at the age of 2 pa lang.
Okay.
So that yung body development nila will be at their almost steady na sila and solid.
Okay. Kanina you were mentioning to me about different breeds of horses. Ano yung mga breeds dito sa El Caballo, sir?
Our breeds here mostly are thoroughbreds,
Okay.
which are ex-racers like the one you're riding on.
All right.
So
By the way, my horse is named
Ashley. And
Yeah.
I'm riding on Tuscany. And going back to the other breeds, we also have ex-polo ponies. We also have some imported breeds
Okay.
from polo also.
Propolo. Okay. Siguro, magandang pag-usapan. Hey, Ashley, hold on. Mukhang nakainom ng kape si Ashley.
Nakakape yan, nakakape.
Ashley, stay. There you go. What do they eat?
Well,
Coffee.
in the morning. Coffee in the morning.
No.
Seriously, we give them feeds.
Okay.
They're specific for the horses. But we also give them grass.
Where do they get their protein? Because horses, they've got like a muscular structure. Diba?
Yes, most of the protein and nutrients and the minerals come from the feeds.
Comes from, okay.
The grass really doesn't contain a lot of those. That's why we supplement them with feeds.
Okay. And then parang I noticed that they have more than the normal bowel movement than
Yeah.
people have.
Yeah, because horses have the same internal structure as humans.
Okay.
But since they're on fours, they cannot keep their bowels inside for a long time.
So-
they really have to pass it through.
So, dumudumi sila how frequent in a day?
3 to 4 times an hour.
3 to 4 times an hour! And anywhere. And anywhere.
Anywhere, yes.
Alright mga kapuso, konting information lang naman yan tungkol sa mga horses and tungkol dito sa El Caballo Equestrian Center sa Clarkfield, Pampanga. Gusto nyo bang matuto sumakay ng isang kabayo? Yan po yung pag-uusapan natin sa pabalik namin dito sa El Caballo. Back to studio, partner! Alright, let's ride with the wind. Let's move now. Anytime, Ashley. Hey, Ashley. Hey. Alright, good.
Drew, good morning, Kuya La. Ay, si Drew, ang galing ng accent ni Drew, convincing.
The accent is really something.
Oh yeah, taga-South talaga.
Oo. Yun yung sa South, iba yung, kasi iba yung LS Studio sa bandang South yun sa
Yes.
Florida. So, talagang yung mga like,
Sino
yeah.
din ganun magsalita sa Florida?
Something?
Ah, cute! Makapunta nga sa LS Studio na yung Kuya Lar. At ito, abangan mamaya ang pinakamainit na intriga. Ding Don Dates at Marian Rivera lalabas na mamaya sa Endless Love.
At Patrick Garcia nakita sa unang
Ayun
pagkakataon
sila,
ng anak
oh.
nila ng dating nobya na si Jenilyn Mercado. Ano kayang nangyari?
Naku, maiyak siguro kapag ganyan ang moment, di ba, Kuya
Oo,
Lar?
moment na moment talaga. Ayan,
Ang
ako
cute,
mamaya na yan,
Lisa.
abangan ninyo sa aming Showbiz Chika. Punta naman tayo kay
Len.
Len.
Iba talaga pagkapagkain ng inaamoy mo umaga-umaga pa lang. Anyway, mga kapuso, alam ko sa inyo marami na medyo nagsasawa rin yung mga alak yung sa mga hinahanda nyo, di ba? Pues, eto, narinig nyo na ba ang palageti? O, hindi pa. Eto, pansit puti. Hindi pa rin. O kung bago yan sa inyong pandinig, bago rin yan sa inyong panlasa at sa inyong mga anak na mamaya po ituturo sa atin. Siyempre, ni Chef Hassett na nagbabalik dito. Ayan. At habang naghihiwa siya na, pag-usapan natin, ang isa pa, alam niyo ba yung mga wonder plants na ituturo namin sa inyo ngayon? Marami talagang maidudulot na maganda sa atin. Andiyan po yung nakakatulong sa panggamot ng sakit. Meron din pong pantaboy ng mga insekto. Meron din pantanggal ng kate, pantanggal na baho, at pantanggal ng mancha. At dahil lahat po yan ay galing sa halaman, ito po ay mga chemical-free. So nakakatulong kayo sa inyong sarili at nakakatulong din kayo sa environment. O, di ba? Yan po at marami pang iba sa pagbabalik ng Unang Hirit. Kain na?